the Marvis family. We are dedicated to what we do. Hey my loves, how are you all doing? You are welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I style my twisted hairstyle. This video or hairstyles can go for locks, braids and micro twists. But today's video is dedicated to this hairstyle. So you are welcome back. If this is your first time of seeing my video, you are very welcome. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. This is the first hairstyle that we rocked. This is just the hairstyle you rock, when coming out from the salon. Or yeah, but you guys know I do my hair myself and I post it on this channel. And this is the second hairstyle, almost the same with the first one, but this one is center parting and yeah, it's beautiful. This is the third one. You're going to bring out some hair from the front and hold it back under your hair at the back, and voila, we have this hairstyle done. Yeah, nothing much, nothing serious. You can style it in a lot of ways. You can bring out some out, it will really look gorgeous. Yeah, bring it out like this and it's good, looking good. This is the fourth one. You're going to pack it up. You're not going to be packing it on top of your back. You're going to be packing it up like this, just like I'm showing you guys. Yes, not down. And make sure to lay this side down really well. Bring it down very well. I didn't even bring mine down very well, but it's okay. Bring it down very well and it will look good. Hold it down with your rubber band or whatever you are using to hold your hair down, and whatever you have, bring out some hair, or you can rock it there without bringing anything out. It looks good. There are many ways you can rock this hairstyle. You can do the back donut and yeah, it will still look good. And this one is I don't know, but I think it's the fourth one. So we're going to be flat twisting this hairstyle. So just follow my lead, just like I'm doing in the video. Flat twist it, just like I'm doing. And if this is the hairstyle you choose, you can just repeat after me. The Marvis family, we are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working. And once you're done twisting that side, you reach to the back. You're going to hold it down with something so that it will not lose while you're making the other side or while you're twisting the other side. So you're not going to start from the beginning. You're going to come down here just like I'm showing you guys in the video, and yeah, twist from here. Flat twist. Don't make it too tight so that you will not feel uncomfortable. Flat twist, get to the back and you lose the other one and use that same thing or whatever you have, and hold the two of them down. After holding it down, you're going to fold the hair into the hair, like under it. And yeah, this hairstyle is done. Really beautiful, After you're done with this hair, you're going to be looking like a money bag. Looks really matured and beautiful. This is the sixth one. Bring out some portion of hair and twist it down so that it will not mix with other one. And yeah, you're going to pack this one upward, section it. I'll just bring it bit by bit so that everything will look organized. Hold it down very well and then you tight it or secure it with whatever you're using, with your rubber band or anything you're using, then the hairstyle is done. This is just the hairstyle, really simple and easy and yet beautiful. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm feeling myself. And this one is the seventh hairstyle, the same hairstyle that we rocked on the sixth hairstyle. We are going to be twisting the one we brought out inwardly, just like I did here. Like, just twist it like inward. I don't know how to, if you got that, but even if you don't understand what I said, you can just go back and rewatch what I did there. And you can leave it on. You can also just do these donuts, messy donuts here, messy bun, and it will still look good. You can choose whichever one is your style. Style number 8, we are going to be packing half of the hairstyle, just this almost the same thing with the fourth style hairstyle, but this one you're going to be leaving half down, half of the hairstyle. Just like I said, make sure to pack it really well, make sure to arrange it so that it will be neat, and after arranging you hold it down with your rubber and the style is done. And you can also style it this way. Yeah, whichever way you prefer, you can style it. You can also tuck this one in, and it's a bigger hairstyle, really beautiful and mature. Just do whichever one you feel is your style. This one we are going to be twisting 4 hair in front, and we are going to be packing this one like 2 in the front, and we're going to leave half at the back. Just watch me do it. And I'm holding it down with my hair. And yeah, we're done. Very simple, very easy, and very beautiful. This is the next hairstyle, the same hairstyle we rocked the other side. We are going to be just doing donuts for the 2 that we held up, and easy and beautiful also. I love this hairstyle the most. I don't know why, but I just love it the most. And you're going to leave half at the back, just like I said before. Yeah. Hey my loves, we have come to the end of this video, and if you watched till this point, I hope you found what you're looking for and you found the hairstyle that suits your style. Thank you so much for watching till now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the red button that says subscribe. It will mean a lot. Like this video, and you can also leave a comment of the hairstyle that you love the most. Thank you so much for watching. You can also share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.